Hey guys, today we are going to be converting rates and measurements. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to be using ratios like we've been using. We're going to convert 716 miles per hour to miles per minute. So here's our goal. We want to get miles to minutes. So if you put miles per hour and you multiply that by hours per minute, you can actually cancel out the hours, and then you get miles per minute. So let's change that into our problem. If we have 760 miles per hour, and our goal is to get it to be miles per minute, then we have to cancel out the hours. So I'm going to put hour up here. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So now my hours are going to cancel, and my problem becomes 760 miles per minute, per 60 minutes. So this is a division problem. When you have something divided by 0 at the end, those are just going to cancel. I can reduce 76 over 6. I'm going to divide it by 2. 2 goes into 7/3 with 2 left over. 2 goes into 26. Wait a minute. That doesn't work. 2 goes into 7/3 with 1 left over. 2 goes into 16, 8. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So this is my problem. 38 divided by 3. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 8 2. Put the point, add the 0. 3 goes into 26. It's going to be 0.6 repeating. So it's approximately, the answer is going to be approximately, so I'm going to put a little squiggly line because approximately is that squiggly line, 12.6 miles per minute. And that's the answer. Okay, so we have another one over here. Over here we've got 176 feet per second. Convert that to miles per hour. You always want to make sure you set it up so that the feet, you're going to end up with miles per hour, so you have to kind of cancel things out. So the first thing we have to do is we're going to have to cancel out feet in seconds, and we're also, we want to somehow get miles and hours in there. So I'm going to multiply by 1 mile per 5,280 feet. And I can't remember if I told you already, but fine tomatoes sounds like 5280. So 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So I have to start by canceling, because I can cancel my feet out here. And then I have to figure out how I'm going to get seconds to cancel out, and how I get hours into there. So I've already got my miles in there. Now I have to get my hours in there. So if I put hours on the bottom, then it'll end up being miles per hour. So I'm going to put 1 hour in the denominator, and 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Okay, so if you don't know how to figure that out, if you know 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 60 minutes has the 60 seconds times every minute, you're going to get 3,600 seconds. So now I can cancel out my feet, I can cancel out my seconds, and I'm left with miles per hour. So I have to multiply 176 times 3600 divided by 5280. That looks fun. I would say you can use a calculator at this point. I'm just going to tell you what it all equals out, because I don't want to do all that math. And that will all equal out to, where is this problem? 120 miles per hour. So the final answer is 120 miles per hour. So I'm going to let you go ahead and use your calculators on this. That ended up being miles, that ended up being hours. Okay? So you can do all that math, so you don't have to figure that all out. Over here, we want to do 12 centimeters. How many inches is that? Well, I can do 12 centimeters. Again, I want to always try to cancel out centimeters to get the answer to be inches. So the only way to cancel out centimeters is to put centimeters in the denominator. So I want to figure out, well, how many centimeters is 1 inch? Well, the conversion in your book will tell you 1 inch has 2.54 centimeters. That's good because it's going to get us to cancel the centimeters out, and I'm left with inches. So 12 times 1 is 12, divided by 2.54. So if you did that division out, it's going to equal approximately 4.72 inches. Again, I'm going to go ahead and let you use your calculator. Okay? So now we're going to do 4 quarts to liters. Anytime we're gonna try to do this, we always want to cancel out. So if I know we're changing quarts to liters, the conversions in your book will tell you that 1 quart is 0.946 liters, but I have to make sure I put quarts on the top and quarts on the bottom, so those will cancel. And then I'll get 4 times 0.946 liters, and if I do that out, I'm going to get 24, 16, 17, 18, carry the 1, 36, and 1 is 37, count over 3 times, and I'm going to get 3.784 liters. Okay, we'll be working with these together. You might get confused on them because you really have to do some thinking with them, but I'll be here to help you. All right, see you later. Don't forget to take notes. Bye.